In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Notion account to Claude. The first thing you need to do is log into your Notion account. Once you're logged in, go to your Claude account. Once you're there, click on Customize on the left sidebar, then click on Connectors. At the top, you'll see a plus icon that says Add Connector. Click on it. You'll have two options: Browse Connectors and Add Custom Connector. Click on Browse Connectors. The official MCP for Notion is available directly inside Claude. You can see it right here. If you don't see it, use the search option at the top and search for Notion. It will appear at the top of the results. Click the plus icon next to it. It will ask you to complete the setup steps and confirm the connection to Notion MCP. Click Continue and wait a few seconds for your Notion account to connect to Claude. As you can see, it now says Connected to Notion. Your Notion account has been successfully connected to Claude. Clicking on Notion on the right side shows the permissions that Claude has within your Notion account. Here you have three options for each permission: Always Allow, Needs Approval, or Block. Go through each permission and adjust them according to your preferences. Once you're done, open a new chat. To confirm your Notion account is active, click the plus icon and go to Connectors. As you can see, Notion is enabled. You can now start prompting Claude to make changes to your Notion or control it directly through Claude. That's how you connect your Notion account to Claude. If you want to know how to connect your Lovable account or Higgsfield account to Claude, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.